So the latest project on the bench is this, a Petter A1 stationary engine. It's from the Second World War, used to run a variety of things. Been fascinated by these since I was a kid. I stripped one down, but it was just too worn, too rotted out. But I had great fun taking it to pieces, so got this one. It's a non-runner at the minute, no spark, excuse me, no matter what else we've got going on with it. But we're going to strip it all down, get it all, find out what's wrong with it, repair it, renovate it, get it up to show condition hopefully, and get it a runner. So let's see how the journey goes. This is the other side of the engine. Got a broken tap there, just like that. See if we can do something with that. Generally speaking, not in bad condition for the year. We'll see if we can get it looking a lot better. So what we're going to do, start here, take that nut off, and remove the whole assembly and get to everything better. Them nuts, if you can see that, 1/4 Whitworth, and they was all designed for the war. Smaller nut head for use less metal, keep more metal for bombs and bombers and all that kind of thing. Let's get this whipped off and have a look at it. So I've got it out. Just a quick show you, this is what spins on the engine. They fly out, they're the governors. So as that flies out, that pin pushes out. And on the outside of the engine, there's a spring-loaded governor. So that pushes in, allows the engine to go faster. Allows it to go faster. And as they go out, slows it down. And the spring, you see that moving in and out there. That there governs the speed of the engine. So that's inside the engine. I have to make a new seal for this and put it all back together. So there's a bit I showed you inside, and those there inside there are the contact points. They look incredibly dirty, so we need to give them a clean, and we'll whip this top off, see what's going on there. But for a start, filthy, so let's give it a little clean up and then take the top off and see what's going on inside. Clean as we go. What's that say? Oil every 200 hours with weight filled paint and castrolite filled to overflowing. Alright, so we've got a little different little spring loaded, you can see that there. Let's bring it round here. Little spring loaded pot. We'll look into what that is. If you fill that up, and it all goes inside the mechanism here, but we'll have a look when we get it stripped down. If we can get it stripped down. Oh, lovely. Yeah. So if you can see there, I'll point to it with this. There, copper contact, which goes straight to that on the outside, and that just touches on that there. So in actual fact, inside there, that all looks in quite good condition. That, give those a little clean up. I think we'll pop the top back on now because there's nothing obvious going on inside that, so I don't think we need to create problems where there isn't any. So what I'm going to use to clean them up is this. Is basically what's inside here is glass fibres, and it's designed specifically for cleaning up electrical contacts. That's just a very, very gentle way to clean up electrical contacts. That's better, isn't making any deep gouges. Nice smooth surface. Put a little bit of tension on that, a little bit on that. We'll give that in there a clean out in a moment. But so far, so good. Right. See that? Bit of tension on them contacts, which is excellent. I've raced ahead a little bit here. What I've done is these contacts on the end of there, that one and that one, are black. There's no continuity through them. So I'm just in the process now, giving them a clean up. You see that one's got real pitted in the middle, that one as well. So I'm going to polish them up and see if we can get them a bit of continuity through. Tested the coil resistance. Basically, the way to test that is from that terminal there where the HT lead goes just to the case. And I've been advised from the forum that it's around 5,000 ohms is good. Tested this, we've got 4.5 or 4,500 ohms. Not sure if that's a good reading or not, but it's not a million miles away from 5,000, so we'll get everything cleaned up. We'll turn it over and see if we get some kind of a juice out of it. But certainly with those contacts being there as they are, we was never going to get anything happening. So fingers crossed that might have been our issue with no spark, as well as the dodgy connection for the HT lead there. Keep referring to this as an HT coil or ignition pack. It's not, it's a Magneto. My bad that, but hey, live and learn. We'll be doing a lot of learning on this on the way, so carry on cleaning these up and put them back in. So we've got the points cleaned up on the Magneto. I've done a few other bits and foolishly forgot to record it. Points are all cleaned up. I did get a bit of footage of that. So now I've fitted it. The primary job today is, it's not timed up. I'm going to connect it all up, and I've got the got it fastened on tight. Going to attach the HT lead and take the spark plug out, just ground it on something, see if we're getting a spark. If we've got a spark, then next thing is we'll time it up and see if we can get it to run. If we get it to run, excellent. Then we'll go for the full strip down, check everything, and we'll see if we can get it back into some kind of a nice shiny good condition. Got some nice brass bits on here, we can get them polished up. Shot blast the engine top end, make an exhaust for it, because that's you know, that's what it is, manky, and put an air cleaner on it, and yeah, see how we go. So right, let's get this fitted. Made a better connection on there, just a temporary job for now, but we know we've got a good contact with this, so let's see how we go. Right, that's that one. Right, so first test, just got a little spark tester. Put that in the end, and we'll crank it over a bit, see if we get some kind of a spark. I'll turn the lights off, might be able to get a better view. Might pick this up, this be nice and low light. Let's try. So sticking that and the cap, spark plug cap, HT lead cap, pretty conclusive. That's lighting up like a treat. So next test, take that out, we'll check the spark plug, and if we're getting a spark off that, next thing is time it up and see if we can get it to run. new stand I've made. That's some. Oh, that's pretty good though. If you can see here, made some nice stands because I was absolutely sick to death of that toppling over. So push that in there, ground it out on something, put a glove on. These aren't very insulated, but every little helps. Right, can we see there? What can we see there? Right, let's crank it over, see if we get spare. Bang! You can make that out on the video. We're getting an absolute beauty of a spark. Magneto's good. It seems like spark plug's good. Put that back in there for now. Right, next job. Get it timed up, and I'll try and remember to record that. I'll time it up, and we'll see if we can get a bit of noise out of the beast. But so far, she's looking good. Right, next job, timing it up.